In this video, let me show you how to fix the MSCOMCTL.OCX error on your Windows device. So this is going to be a really simple fix. So what you need to do is just copy in this command, which I will leave in the description of this video, and then just go ahead and open up the command prompt, right click on it, and then click on run as administrator. Once you do this, click on yes. And once this command prompt opens up, you just need to paste in this as I just showed you and just hit enter. Once you complete this step, this second step is going to be to copy the second link and then paste it in again. Now once you paste this in, you will see this notification. You just need to click on OK and make sure you restart your device. Once you do this step, you should be able to fix this exact error. So by following these two exact steps, you should be able to fix this Windows error that you're currently having. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll be back soon with more videos just like this.